Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Ever wanted to turn a link into a bookmark in Chrome on your PC? Well, you are in luck. In this video, I'll show how you can do just that. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. First of all, open the website that you want to bookmark. Once the website has loaded, click on the star icon on the address bar. Then hit the Done button, and the page will be bookmarked. You can also hit the Ctrl or CTRL button plus the D button to bookmark the site. Additionally, you can use the Bookmark Manager to turn the website into a bookmark. To do that, first copy the link of the site. After that, click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Then hover over Bookmark and List, and click on Bookmark Manager. Then click on the three-dot icon from here. Next, click on Add New Bookmark. Then enter the name of the site in the first field. After that, paste the URL or link in the next field. Lastly, hit the Save button and the link will be saved as a bookmark. So guys, that's how you turn link into a bookmark in Google Chrome on your computer. If the video was useful, smash that like button. Want more Chrome related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel cause I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one.